Welcome to this video about free practice test on the Microsoft Learn. Microsoft Learn is a great resource for anyone looking to improve their skills, knowledge in various technologies. And one of the best feature of this platform is the availability of free practice test now. The practice tests are designed to help you to prepare for the certification exam. Now you can see on the screen I am on the portal of learn.microsoft.com. From here you can access this exam, AC 900 Microsoft Security Compliance and Identity Fundamentals. Right now this practice test is not available for the all exam, but they have given for the few exams. Now you can clearly see from here when you browse here, and at the bottom you will see the take a free practice exam assessment, right? And you can click on here and the exam will start. You will get a 50 questions for this exam practice test, and you can complete. And the practice test is an interactive and multiple choice question simulation and other types of questions. They are also timed, so you can get a sense of how you would perform under the pressure during the actual certification exam. And after you completing practice test, you can review your result and see which questions you got right and which one you got wrong. And this will help you identifying areas where you need to study and more, and give you a better understanding of your strength and weakness. Quickly I'll see if I can crack at least one question in this video. The first question I got: which functionality is provided by Azure AD? And we have options, four options: a single sign-on, defense in depth, encryption of data at rest, and encryption of data in transit. So which functionality is provided? Always read the question 2 times and then understand which one is better. And always remember, you need to understand, or you need to have at least some idea about all the four options, what they are meaning, and then you can check, and then you can make a proper decision. From this, defense in a depth is not a product or any kind of thing. It's kind of the concept. It's kind of the models that provides the security. Encryption of the data at rest is basically putting the encryptions where the data is stored in the Azure storage, and that time how your data is at rest, what are the encryptions you have applied. This third option covers that. And encryption of data in transit, it means when the data is flowing from one to B, what are the encryptions you have applied. So right answer for this question is first, single sign-on, that is provided by Azure Active Directory, because this is identity portal, right? It provides the identity. So I'm going with the first, and then I'll just check my answer. Yeah. So, and also you see, if you select any wrong, then also it will give you the explanation why. So Azure AD provides a single sign-on, Azure AD provides the federation, and Azure AD is one of the perimeter of defense in a depth. Azure AD does not provide a file service, and Azure AD does not provide encryption of data in transit. So this is the first option. I'll go on the next, and I'll see what is the question I'm getting. What is the minimum edition of Azure AD needed to use Azure AD privileged identity management? What is the minimum edition of Azure AD needed to use Azure AD privileged identity management? So Azure identity management is the like it comes with a higher license, like it's a topmost feature of Azure Active Directory, and certainly it's not coming with the free Office 365 app. Is kind of the application that you get. It does not provide any kind of a security. Azure AD P1 is there are two licenses, Azure AD P1 and P2. P1 does not provide this PIM, and I'll just go with the Azure Active Directory P2 and just check the answer. Right, Azure AD P2 is the only edition that provides the PIM support. So this is the way you can take the exam, but always remember, you need to have a little bit explanation, little bit information about the four options, so you can make a better choice. So yeah, this is the basic or a small demo from this video. And thanks for watching, and happy learning. Go for the exam. Thanks. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.